I don't know if you've noticed it or not, but retailers are carrying more and more online and less in stores. Ladies, that means we don't get to try stuff on first. Today, I'm gonna give you a few tips that are gonna ensure that you get the right fit when ordering online. All of the clothes that I order these days is online. I go out to stores. A lot of times I get super frustrated. I'll see something online. I want to see it in store. I want to try it on to see if it's going to actually fit me and what size I need. Then I get to the store just to realize that either A, they don't carry the product in store, or B, they have very limited sizes in the piece that I want. So I usually have to end up going home and order it online anyway, and then just taking a guess at what size I'm going to need. Does this sound familiar to you? So I did a little bit of research and I've discovered that there are actually a few ways that retailers are helping us out when it comes to online ordering. And the first tip that I'm going to share with you is absolutely life-changing. You must do this, okay? Listen up. You have to take your measurements. That's right. Pull out the measuring tape. If you don't have one, go buy one and take all of your measurements, because most retailers do have a sizing guide. And if you know the inches of your measurements, you're going to be able to look at that sizing guide and it's going to tell you exactly the size you need. It is foolproof. I promise you it's going to work. You need to do it. So tip number 2, you must read the reviews. I don't know if you've noticed or not, but a lot of retailers now are putting in their reviews a little scale where you can say fits true to size, fits too small, fits too large, etc. So you can see what the fit actually is. Also, if you dig down into the reviews a little bit deeper, and some retailers already do this naturally, you'll see the person's height and weight listed as well. So you might be able to find somebody in there who has a body type or wears a similar size to you, and you're going to be able to see how the item fit them and what size they ordered as well. So definitely check the reviews. And number 3, since we're ordering more and more online now, you must check out the returns and exchange policies. So a lot of times what I like to do is I'll order a size that I think I need, and then I order either a size larger or smaller depending upon the retailer and what the reviews said, so that I can try on each piece at home and make sure that I'm going to have the right fit, because nothing is worse than getting the piece and having to send it back and then wait all over again for them to send you the correct size. So make sure that you're checking out the return policies. You're going to want to try to focus on retailers that do free shipping, free returns, so it makes it super easy for you, or you can get them shipped to you and then return them in store for free. You're also going to make sure you don't get penalized for doing too many returns. I know there's some retailers out there that are doing that. I'm not going to name names, but I do want you to know this, that I totally don't agree with this. I think in this day and age where they're offering less and less in store, we are forced to order things online and then have to return items. So just be sure that you know all of the ins and outs of returns and exchanges with the retailer before you order. All right, so take your measurements, read the reviews, and check out the returns policy. And I promise you, you're gonna get the right fit when you order online. If you like this video, then please subscribe and share it with your friends. I'll see you guys next time.